What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. So it is Saturday, which means a Camaro update video, but you guys already know what we have to do beforehand. Enjoy the freaking intro. Yeah, look at that LB7 smoke, baby. Because it's freaking America Day, that's why. Alright guys, let's get to working on the 3rd gen Camaro, because for tomorrow's upload I actually have something special coming down into this garage that we will talk about in tomorrow's upload. So as many of you know, we've been working on getting all the plastic dip off of this vehicle in preparation to rebuilding the front end, which you can see has a little bit of damage down inside here, where we're actually going to get this stuff off, get the fenders off, get everything ready to go so we can get this 100% completely rebuilt, so ultimately one day I can give this car to one of you guys. Now with that, eventually we will be selling merch for Snussy Copen. Not wearing anything Snussy Copen related right now, but we will be starting a merch line that you guys can use to enter not only for this down the road when this is ready to go, but something else, which is a surprise, like I said, that is going to be in tomorrow's upload, that is going to be a giveaway before this. So just stay tuned for that. Be ready for Snussy Copen merch to come. With that, tell your friends. Let's get to 5,000 subscribers. I'm probably not going to start the giveaways until about 5K. So the sooner that we get to 5K, the sooner the first giveaway comes out. With freaking giveaways, there's a lot that goes into actually starting a merch line and all sorts of different things. So I'm going to have to create a website. We're going to have to figure out what we want to name the website and figure out what our merch is going to be. So I'm actually going to have to sit down, design multiple t-shirts, couple different things for you guys, so you guys have kind of a wider selection of stuff to choose from to enter you to win our giveaways. Super exciting that we are getting to the point at our channel where we are able to kind of start doing those things. It's new to me. It's not new to you guys, because a lot of you guys are going to end up following bigger YouTube channels that have already been there, already done that. But with the growth of my channel, I'm so excited to finally be able to give back to you guys that have been loyal to me, watch the videos, like the videos, and all that stuff. And I will reiterate the fact that when you guys like the videos, it helps out so much, because it gives so much more freaking exposure to my channel. And as you guys know, I've been doing this for about 2 years. It's really not easy. I will say it is not easy. Those people that have come on and made one video that just exploded, they had it very easy. As a small YouTuber, it is stressful sometimes, because you're trying to juggle work, you're trying to juggle your family, trying to juggle everything, and finance is a big thing. I don't make a lot of money off of YouTube. Like I said in prior videos, I make enough in a month to fill that Jeep for 4 days with fuel, which is absolutely insane. So I'm going to be so excited to be able to give back to you guys. And the cool thing about my channel is it's not like bigger channels where you have thousands upon thousands of people entering these contests. Simply a Snussy Copen shirt, once they're designed, you could be one of 100 people entered into winning something just because of the size of my channel. Now, like I said, we're going to start out kind of smaller. And even our first giveaway isn't something that's really small, but ultimately getting to that Camaro that's sitting out there, once it's done, who knows how many people will be there, but I guarantee it will be smaller than a lot of your bigger YouTube channels that have a lot of people buying merch and stuff like that. So your chances of winning are higher. Definitely going to be kind of weird and not ideal, but in order to get this hood off of the car, I'm actually going to have to, well, and anyway, to get the fenders off the car, I'm going to have to take the hood completely off and then lay it over top so the motor is at least somewhat covered. But we are going to start on this passenger side, because as stated in the previous video, this side already has a ground effect off, so getting this fender off is going to be a lot easier than the other side. So let's get into the process of getting all that stuff off now. For the freaking most part, getting the hood off of these cars is definitely a two-person job, so I'm probably gonna struggle, to be honest with you, because I have a wide wingspan, being 6'1", but gonna be an adventure getting this thing off of here without damaging the hood too much, because I do want to salvage that hood. Not too worried about scratching paint or anything like that, obviously, because the car is going to be completely sanded and repainted. So if you're watching this and you're like, dude, why did you do that? Just understand the whole car is getting sanded and repainted. I'm just trying to do this by myself, which is very difficult to do. Putting the hood on the car took 2 people. Well, 3 people. Actually, it took 2 people to hold it and 1 person to put the bolts in. So doing it by myself, definitely not an easy task. So don't give me any bullcrap comments. A little bit of an update. The hood is now officially off of the car, so you guys can admire the super slow, low horsepower 305 that is inside this car that will not be in here. Like I said, this motor is actually going to end up going into my 1988, which unfortunately is a 2.8 liter V6. Completely restored car though. So the motor and the trans from this are going to go into that, and then our swap for this, you guys just wait. You guys are going to love what we're doing in this car. And just let me tell you ahead of time, this car will end up being probably around a 350 to 450 horsepower car. Freaking insane. Now without further freaking ado, let's try to get these fenders off so we can just open everything up. And then who knows, maybe I'll even take this bumper off, because we definitely need to order the new inner bumper for down inside here. I just feel more comfortable doing that, especially if it is going to become a giveaway vehicle at some point. I just want everything to be perfect, want everything to be right. This car and third gens in general are just freaking awesome. I love third gens. If it were up to me, I would just give away 50 third gen Camaros completely restored if I could, just because I love seeing third gens on the road, which you very rarely see anymore. So kind of crazy, but when I put this car back together, and this just comes to show, I don't know if you guys can see down inside there, I did not put this here. Would you look at that? It's a freaking 10 mil. Wow. I probably bought like 4 of these since the time that this got stuck inside there and just didn't care. Alright, fair enough. Back in the toolbox you go. A little bit of an update. So you guys can see this fender has a little bit of surface rust. It was in fact white when I bought this. And those of you that have been along for the channel for a while know that this was actually like classy dip green, because initially we were going to go with the hunter green instead of the flat black, but we're going to have to really sand down this fender, sand down the hood. You guys saw the last upload with the bumper. We're going to have to get a new bumper and a new lip, but I should be able to salvage this. We're going to start getting parts together, like a list of what we need for this Camaro front end rebuild. I apologize guys, but my neighbor is annoying as fuck, and he always constantly comes over here. But we're gonna wrap up today's Camaro upload here. Stay tuned for tomorrow's video. It's gonna be exciting. We are bringing something down to the garage. If this was your first time watching a video on my channel, give the video a big thumbs up, hit the subscribe button. I will catch you guys in the next one.